Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel, and let's discuss what is the static keyword in C++. Static keyword has two usage in C++ with static variables and with static class arguments. Let's start from static variables. Look at my example. We have foo function which has some static variable. Let's use without static keyword, and in each call we increase our variable. So let's create initial value and run the code. We see 1 1, but in this example we want to maintain a counter of calls of foo function. We can add static keyword and receive correct result. Why? Static variables live till the end of the program and defines only one time, in our case in foo function. Also, static variables has initial value. For example, int values initial value is 1, so without initial value we have correct output. It's really good. Okay, let's look at second example. In second example we have class A with static variable cnt, with constructor which increases cnt, and destructor. Also we have getter for cnt variable. Okay, let's delete static. Let's delete initialization of this static variable and run the code. And we have an error. Why? Error said that undefined reference to cnt. It's important to know that static variables relate to class, not to the object. It means for many objects we have only one static variable, and static variable have to create it inside the class. Okay, in this way let's run the code again, and it's fine. Okay, let's try to run getCnt method. And we have correct output because we call it from the object. But let's run from the class, and we have an error. Error said that cannot call member of function without object. Okay, we can solve this error with help of static keyword. In this case we made getCnt method static, and we received correct output. Okay, also let's try to use common variable var in this function. Let's just try to output var, and we have an error. Error said that we cannot use this member in static function. Why? Answer is easy, because getCounter function does not have this pointer to object of the class. That's interesting. Also, let's try to make our function const, and again we have an error. An error said that static method can be constant. So that's it. Let's run the code again. We have correct output. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. See you soon.